Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So you can see I'm showing you guys my hair. I already relaxed my hair. I could not take care of the natural hair again. I'm so busy to the stage I don't have time taking care of it. So I have to do what? Give myself some break by relaxing my hair. So you can see what I've already shown you guys from the beginning. We've on oil sheen, got to big glue spray, then Brazilian wool. So first of all, I will use my wave on oil. I'll rub it on my hair. Yes, because I want to add some shine to it, and I don't want to add any oil after I already add my got to big spray. So you can see what I'm doing, just adding some oil sheen to add some shine. So after that, I'm going to be using a band to hold my head down. This is very easy to achieve, very easy, not stressful. I didn't stretch out my hair or anything. Then I'll use a band to hold it down. Now I'll start adding the got to be glue spray. No need of gel. This will really hold your hair down, and this hairstyle came out so beautiful. So after I'm done spraying my hair, I sprayed the first time, but I didn't show where I was brushing it the first time. So this is the second time I'm spraying it again. Then I'll use my brush to brush everything together. After I'm done using my brush to brush everything together, I'll lay my edges off camera, tie my hair scarf just to hold it, because this spray gets dry on time. You don't need to use any hand dryer to dry it. It gets dry easily when you tie a scarf on it. So this is 80 strand of Brazilian wool. I pluck the Brazilian wool. I allow some to be longer than some parts. Then I brushed the Brazilian wool towards the tip. I brush it with airbrush so that it will be easier for me to fold. Then I'll add some oil sheen to add some shine also. So after I'm done doing that, I'll start